Jaydenn, be careful because I'm after for you next. So be careful. You remember that 4 car? You did have to run away from Walton Park. So be careful. Jaydenn, go foreign now. I got news. So watch your head back, Jaydenn. Day after for you. Remember.
You wanna win, bro?
Yeah, true.
So you fuck, I forgot top you now, brother. All I man them in a corruption you know. It have to go top, brother, and the whole we have to go live as one youth.
No, I got suck your mother friend, you look pussy.
You see it, everything I take for joke.
Pops, you done this man them already, you know. Man them no want a friend for you, you know. I'm me alone, come here eat that.
Alright, you take everything for joke, brother.
No, I take no for joke.
We are going to just take the thing now, I saw look style now. A man I go say something for life, and I like when me I hear run joke and say suck your mama energy then. So man, we take things serious, brother, and everything I take for joke, brother.
But Pops, me not when me tell about your mother, I not joke me around if I.
Tap your bag of joking, a serious time now, me I send out a message, brother. Come in, we are telling people them say them feel live good.
Wait, afraid.
Come we send out the message, Jaydenn. And talk about who afraid, from who not afraid.
Pops, me say get peace, that's true.
The man always in some bumbuckler, a serious time now, brother.
No, we not, bro. We know condolence to Naya, bro, and sorry about that, bro. But me I talk about.
Yeah, we know it's a condolence to Naya, but we are want the rest away.
So Pops, I never did worry about that before Naya gone.
Right now, Naya dead and he teach me a lot, Jaydenn. Me? I swear to God, yo. Me not go turn on no more life, because every life lead to life run. Tell me, I tell her that. You don't know that?
But Pops, come on. A true, bro. A true thing after.
Brother, I see. Jaydenn, as much as you see any pussy, you think more than want nothing for you? You ready you go on your pussy, brother, than sitting there, brother.
Rethink, dog. As much as all your fuck goat and pig and them thing, them who do want out there, bro?
What you mean? Then everybody don't know some fuck goat and hog and something. They don't know some animal man, but you don't want nothing to do me, dog. Serious time, youth.
Yo, Pops. Me see you bring a cat on the stage and me see you this down and writing out there.
No, brother. Me
Right,
don't have nothing, youth. Me love the. Me love down a dog. Me the dog. Me don't have nothing, brother.
No, man, continue this him.
No, me not this back down, brother. Me not the man now, nothing, brother.
No.
Jaydenn, listen up. You can't make me listen up. Turn on that, turn on that. Jaydenn, listen up. That's when me I go out. You see him like how you that roll it 700 man where you fuck, bro.
Go suck your
We go out with security. We go out with security where have gun, bro. You hear? Me I tell you, bro. Real security where have gun, bro.
So hold on, Pops. So when
Yeah, man can't ramp with me.
So Pops. So when you go out with people who have gun also, right? Good. So when shot fire, they can't turn back that shot there. Pops.
Yeah, ask if gun can't take Jaydenn and so, brother. Listen up, I bet say if Naya did it, we don't next you to have a gun. He would do that, brother.
No, bro. Watch you now. Serious time. Watch you now, Pops.
Snipe, guys, snipe.
Buckler thing in Jamaica, you know, bro. And you send me request, dog. And you send me match, bro. Man, why you not go fuck off and allow me in my one world youth?
Bro, we not pray, dog. You're good youth.
So dog, why you did me or you did me then, killer? If me a good you, bro.
Sorry about that, dog. Cause me not pray no man, me not want to kill me, you know.
No. Don't run them joke there over your life and laugh, dog. Hear me I tell you?
No, me not want to kill me, bro. You mean say me I run joke over man life. You me I talk about, me not pray you.
Bro, me not pray for kill you or nothing, bro.
Bro, you pray like say
Bro, you know say me not pray for hurt, no, bro. But you know when me sit down and pray for hurt, you know, bro. Or me sit down and bring down my name, dog. You hear me I tell you? Cause me not there, so bro, the realest way and even mess. We not doing the thing, bro, not doing the thing, bro.
No man, I know me make they not use that, dog. Remember say me and you play much, you know, me not pray. I know me make some man not use it and play.
What you mean some man? What you mean some man not use?
I know me make I mean entertainment the sign yeah, what me understand.
Man, nobody want to man, go suck your mama in a boy. How you, man? How am you? You think me want a bumbo clad when me sign me, idiot? Man, go suck your mother about said boy. Come off from a live pussy hole. You know what I mean? No. You know I make no money with me pussy hole. You know what I'm telling you, man?
Yes, calling all Jamaicans, near or far. Whether you're near or whether you're far, we're going to make this Christmas in Jamaica the best Christmas ever. We're going to make this Christmas a pussy Christmas. Yes, yes, we're going to make it a pussy Christmas. And the reason why we're going to make it a pussy Christmas, because we don't want no one to die this Christmas. We want them to live. Remember, the gun takes the life and the pussy brings the life. So this is a pussy Christmas. Make this Christmas a pussy Christmas. More pussy, more than gun. More life over death. We're gonna make this Christmas a pussy Christmas. Said yes, the best Christmas ever in Jamaica will be 2024. It's a pussy Christmas. It's not a gun Christmas. The gun take the life, the pussy brings the life. So make this Christmas the best, a pussy Christmas all over Jamaica. Celebrate with the pussy man. Pussy Christmas. Argument done.